Data science is a powerful tool. It helps us understand the world. To use it effectively, we need the right infrastructure. Think of it like building a house. A strong foundation is essential. A well-designed infrastructure provides that foundation for data science. It's all about efficiency. We want to streamline the process. From collecting data to deploying models, everything should flow smoothly. A well-oiled machine, if you will. This means less time wasted on technical issues. More time can then be dedicated to extracting insights. Let's not forget about collaboration. A good infrastructure makes it easy for teams to work together. They can share data, code, and results seamlessly. This fosters innovation and speeds up the process. Ultimately, it leads to better outcomes. Remember, a well-built house is a joy to live in.
The cloud has revolutionized data science. It provides access to vast computing power. This is crucial for handling the massive datasets of today. Cloud platforms like AWS and Google Cloud are incredibly powerful. They offer a range of services tailored for data scientists. But with great power comes great responsibility. Managing cloud resources effectively is key. We don't want to be wasteful. It's important to choose the right services for our needs. Think about storage, processing power, and cost. It's all about finding the right balance. Orchestration tools can be incredibly helpful. They automate the management of cloud resources. This frees up data scientists to focus on what they do best: analyzing data and building models. It's like having a team of assistants taking care of the technical details, leaving you to focus on the big picture.
We've built our models. Now it's time to set them free. Deploying machine learning models is the final hurdle. It's how we turn our hard work into real-world impact. There are different approaches to deployment. We can choose the one that best suits our needs. One option is to deploy models as APIs. This makes them accessible to other applications. Imagine a model that predicts customer churn. Integrated into a CRM system, it can provide valuable insights. Another option is to embed models directly into applications. This is common for real-time predictions. Deployment is not a one-time task. We need to ensure our models continue to perform well. Regular monitoring and maintenance are crucial. Models can degrade over time. Data changes, patterns shift. We need to be vigilant and adapt our models accordingly.
Section 4. Keeping a watchful eye, monitoring and management. Deployment is just the beginning. Our work isn't done once the model is out in the wild. We need to keep a watchful eye on it. Monitoring and management are essential for ensuring our models stay healthy. Think of it like taking care of a plant. We need to track key metrics. How accurate are our predictions? How fast is the model responding? These metrics tell us if our model is performing as expected. If not, it's time to investigate. Why is performance dropping? Is it the data, the model itself, or something else entirely? Tools and techniques can help us automate this process. Alerts can notify us of any anomalies. Logs provide a detailed history of the model's behavior. This allows us to identify issues early on and prevent them from becoming major problems. Remember, prevention is always better than cure.
Section 5. Building a cohesive data science ecosystem. Data science is not an island. It's part of a larger ecosystem. To be truly effective, our infrastructure needs to connect with other systems. This means integrating with data warehouses, business intelligence tools, and more. A cohesive ecosystem allows data to flow seamlessly. Cloud-based platforms are ideal for building such an ecosystem. They offer a wide range of services that can be easily connected. This allows us to create a unified workflow, from data ingestion to model deployment and beyond. Everything works together harmoniously. This cohesive environment fosters collaboration and knowledge sharing. Data scientists can easily access the tools and data they need. They can share their work with colleagues and stakeholders. This leads to better communication, faster iterations, and ultimately, better outcomes. It's about breaking down silos and working together towards a common goal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.